Have you ever wondered how people make money while they sleep? In 2026, passive income isn't just a dream. It's a reality for anyone looking to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a student, professional, or just looking to boost your income, there are many ways to start earning without the need for extra effort. From licensing your data to building automated channels and investing in micro-storage, the opportunities are endless. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners. If you're ready to start earning while you sleep, let's dive into these smart, effortless ways to grow your wealth. 1. License your personal AI data. One of the most innovative ways to earn passive income in 2026 is by licensing your personal AI data. With the explosion of specialized AI models and machine learning tools, companies are increasingly paying for high-quality, niche human data sets. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for diverse data to train AI models is growing rapidly. This is where you come in. Imagine you have a collection of professional data, personal creative archives, or niche expertise that you can license to companies looking to train their AI systems. Platforms like Ocean Protocol allow individuals to securely vault and license their data to developers and AI researchers. Every time your data helps to train a new model, you earn royalties. This can be anything from unique patterns in your behavior, audio data, visual content, or even the written content you've produced. The best part is, once your data is licensed, it's a completely hands-off source of income. Unlike traditional passive income methods, licensing your data can generate income for years without much ongoing effort. As AI continues to grow, this is a great way to leverage your personal data for consistent, automated royalties. Platforms like Ocean Protocol have made it easy for anyone to get started, regardless of their level of technical expertise. You don't need to be a tech expert to take part. Simply upload your data, set the terms for licensing, and start earning. This is a game changer in the world of passive income, providing a unique opportunity to profit from the digital footprint we all leave behind. 2. Build an automated faceless niche channel. If you've ever wanted to create a YouTube or TikTok channel but didn't want to put your face on camera, this idea is for you. With the rise of generative AI tools, you can now build an entire faceless brand that generates passive income while you focus on other things. Niche channels in areas like AI productivity or sustainable living are some of the highest CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Niches on platforms like YouTube. The best part? You don't even have to appear on camera. Generative AI tools like Pictory allow you to create stunning visuals for your videos, while AI can write the scripts for you. Pictory, for instance, uses AI to transform text into engaging video content with professional visuals, perfect for creating YouTube or TikTok videos without requiring you to record anything yourself. You can choose from a variety of templates or input your own ideas and let the AI do the rest. Once your channel is set up with initial content and prompts, you can automate much of the process. After producing the first few videos, the system can continue to generate and publish content automatically. Up to 90% of the work can be done for you. This is ideal for beginners who may not have technical skills, but still want to earn passive income. The great thing about this method is that you don't need to be a professional content creator or videographer. AI handles most of the hard work for you. As the content continues to generate on autopilot, you can free up your time to focus on other aspects of your life or business. Once your videos start getting views, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, all while your content keeps running automatically. The beauty of this approach lies in its scalability. With just a little effort at the start, your faceless niche channel can be producing consistent, automated content and generating passive income for years to come. Whether you're creating content around popular topics like productivity hacks or environmental awareness, the possibilities are endless, and the barrier to entry is lower than ever. 3. Rent out micro-storage space. Renting out and used space is nothing new. But in 2026, micro-storage has become a sought-after solution for people in crowded urban areas. Instead of owning a full rental property, you can rent out small and used spaces like your garage, attic, or even a shed. Platforms like Neighbor allow individuals to monetize extra space for storage, and it's one of the easiest passive income streams you can create. Unlike traditional real estate rentals, micro-storage requires zero maintenance and minimal effort on your part. You can rent out space for things like car storage, business inventory, or even seasonal items. The best part is that you don't have to worry about long-term tenants or dealing with repairs. People simply need somewhere to store their things, and your unused space is the perfect solution. Micro-storage is particularly popular in urban environments where space is limited and expensive. Instead of letting your garage or basement go unused, turn it into a money-making asset by renting it out. This type of passive income is perfect for beginners, especially if you have extra space that isn't being used for anything else. The demand for micro-storage is growing, as more people look for affordable storage solutions that don't require long-term commitments. This makes it a reliable and hassle-free way to earn money with little effort. 4. Curate digital starter packs. The workforce in 2026 is highly transitional, with many people shifting careers and roles more frequently. This creates a growing demand for digital starter packs, templates and tools designed to help individuals quickly set up their workspaces for new roles. If you're tech-savvy or have experience in a specific field, you can create and sell digital starter packs for niche roles like freelance AI auditors or virtual event managers. A digital starter pack might include templates on platforms like Notion, task management systems, onboarding checklists, or other tools that make it easier for someone in that field to hit the ground running. Once you've created the template, it's a product with zero marginal cost and infinite scale. You can sell these packs on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website. The best part about creating digital products like these is that they require no ongoing effort once they're made. You create the product once, and every time someone purchases it, you make money. This is an ideal way to generate passive income if you have specialized knowledge in a niche area. Whether you're into project management, content creation, or virtual event planning, there's likely a demand for starter packs tailored to those specific industries. 5. Participate in yield farming for beginners. When it comes to growing your money passively, yield farming offers an intriguing option that goes beyond traditional savings accounts or stocks. Yield farming involves investing in digital assets, such as tokens or cryptocurrency, and it's a great way for beginners to earn passive income through decentralized finance, DeFi. Platforms like IndexCoop allow users to invest in yield-bearing tokens, which function like digital index funds. With yield farming, you invest your capital into high-performing decentralized protocols, and your assets earn interest automatically. In many ways, it's like putting money into a savings account, except your interest rates are much higher. These platforms work on autopilot, moving your capital into the highest performing DeFi protocols, so you don't have to track market fluctuations manually. For beginners, the barrier to entry is lower than you might think. Some yield farming platforms allow you to start with as little as $50, making it an accessible option for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of cryptocurrency and DeFi. One of the advantages of yield farming is that you can earn interest passively while your capital works for you. Unlike traditional savings accounts with low returns, yield farming can provide higher yields, but remember, it comes with risk. As the DeFi space evolves, the potential for higher returns is significant, making it an exciting opportunity for those looking to diversify their income streams. And there you have it, the top 5 passive income ideas for beginners in 2026. From licensing your personal data to building automated YouTube channels, there are countless ways to start earning passive income with minimal effort. The best part? You don't need a large upfront investment to get started. Just a bit of creativity, the right tools, and some dedication. If you found these passive income ideas helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to grow your wealth. Let me know in the comments which passive income idea you're excited to try first. I'll see you in the next video.